Hello dear students, today I will solve miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3. Okay, so we know about trigonometric formula cos sin c plus sin d, cos c plus cos d, and etc. Cos 2x, sin 2x, tan 2x, etc. Any formula may be used. Okay, pi plus minus, pi by 2 plus minus, and so on. All the formulas are very, very important. All formulas are used for proving relations, trigonometric relations. Main thing is that for proving what is left hand side, what is right hand side. Okay, so big quantity we take and reduce, and we can get another quantity that is on right hand side. So here our targeted value is the solving and get reduced value and getting right hand side. Okay, so here question first, take question first, that is cos pi by 3, 9 pi by 3. Okay, so solution one of exercise, miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so 2 cos pi by 3, 9 pi by 3 left hand side, that is only proving. Okay, so prove that. So there is a trigonometric identity, so we have to prove. So here left hand side 2 cos pi by 13, 9 pi by 13, pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13, 5 pi by 13, cos 3 pi by 13 cos 5 pi by 13. This is left hand side. Clear? So here plus sign, plus cos 5 pi by 13. Here multiplication, here plus and plus. Okay, and right hand side is what? 0. Just we have to prove this is equals to 0. Clear? So here we can see that these are all are particular values. So here we can apply 2 cos a cos b formula, also here cos c plus cos d formula. So first of all, just apply here cos c plus cos d formula, then we can get some common value. So first of all, our target is cos c plus cos d. We know cos c plus cos d formula what? 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. So this 2 cos pi by 13 and cos 9 pi by 13 plus here cos c plus cos d, these two quantity, cos c plus cos d, we can take it together. Yes, cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Since cos c minus cos d, cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos and also cos what? C plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. Clear? So this formula can be used here. So just our target is what? We have to solve this. So cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus here 2 times of c plus d, 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4 pi by 13. So cos 4 pi by 13, because this plus this means 3 plus 5 8, 8 by 2, 2 cancel and 13 is as, and cos 3 pi minus 5 pi, that is minus 2 pi divided by 2, so minus pi. So cos minus pi by 13, we get like this. Clear? Now we know cos pi by 13 and cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 cos 4 pi by 13, and here cos pi by 13, since cos minus a equals to what? Cos a. Clear? This is formula. So now we can see that cos pi by 13 is common. Here also cos pi by 13 common. So we get cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Okay? This. Now here also again apply this formula cos c plus cos. So cos c plus cos d. So we can apply like this: cos pi by 13, cos pi by 13 is this, and this, cos 9 pi by 13, 4 pi by 13. Clear? Now cos 2 times of cos 9 plus 4, 13 by 13. So cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2. Okay? 9 pi plus 4 pi, 13 pi by 13 into by 2. So 13 by 13 cancel. So what? Pi by 2. 2. And now 9 minus 4 pi, 5 pi, and cos 5 pi by 26. Okay? This minus this, 9 pi minus 4 pi, 5 pi by 13, also 1 by 2, 26. So this. Here we know that 2 cos pi by 13, 4 into this, cos pi by 2 into cos 5 pi by 26, this is equals to 0, since cos pi by 2, cos 90 equals to 0, because cos 0 1, cos 90 what? 0. So this is 0 equals to right hand side. So we have to solve by using formula and step by step. So left hand side equals to right hand side equals to 0. Clear? Now take question second. Sin 3x sin x sin x. Here taking question second. Left hand side is what given? Sin plus sin into sin, cos minus cos into cos, 3 1 1, 3 1 1. Okay. So here second question, left hand side, what? Sin 3 1 1, sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. This is left hand side of question second. Okay, here what? Cos 3x minus cos x into cos x equals to, just here also we have to show right hand side as 0. So in this question our thinking says that what? For getting 0. So we just see sin C plus sin D, cos C minus cos D. We can use formula. We know formula. But here, because of sin square, cos square, sin square minus cos square, that is minus cos 2x, we can use that. So here we can multiply. We can here just multiply and then solve. I also can use that formula, but just suppose we have to multiply like this, sin 3x into sin x plus sin square x, just multiply. Here also cos 3x into cos x minus cos square x, we can write multiply. Clear? Now 1 by 2 2 sin 3x sin x plus 2 cos 3x cos x minus cos square x minus sin square x. We can write like this. They are minus cos square plus sin square. So minus common, then cos square minus sin square. By taking these two multiply by 2 and divided by 2. So here we can apply multiplication to addition formula. So 2 sin A sin B, to cos A cos B, we know 2 sin A sin B and 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Both are sin and cos. Both sin means we know minus sin 2 sin A sin B equals to cos C minus cos D, that is cos A plus B, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. And here both are cos, so cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Just this is formula. We know. Clear? So here we can write minus, because minus 2 sin A sin B, so minus of what? Cos of A plus B, that is 3 plus 1 4 4x minus cos of 2x. This is the formula. Okay, we can write like this also. Here plus 2 cos A cos B. So here cos 4x plus cos 2x. Now also we know that what? Since cos 2a equals to cos square A minus sin square A. These are our formula. So use this here, cos 2x. So now here we see that minus of here minus cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x minus cos 2x. This is equals to what? This cancel, and cos 2x 2 times of cos 2x minus cos 2x. So here cos 2x minus cos 2x equals to what? 0, right hand side. Clear? So 2 to cancel, cos 2x minus cos 2x equals to 0, right hand side. So we get like this. Here also we use formula. So after multiplication, just use these 3 formula. Okay. So you have to know all the formulas. And how can we apply this formula to? Take question 3. 3 and 4 are same questions, as is same type of questions. Here just cos 2x take question 3. Okay, so question 3 and 4 same type of question. So just take any of the questions 3 or 4. Just take question 4. Okay, 3 and 4 can be solved by same type of method. Here 4 cos x minus y sin x minus y square equals to. Okay, similarly third questions, third is cos x plus cos y square sin x minus sin y square. Here cos x minus cos y square. Question 4, left hand side cos x minus cos y square plus sin x minus sin y square. Sin x minus sin y square. This is left hand side of question 4. Cos x minus cos y, sin x minus sin y square. And right hand side will require what? How? 4 sin square x minus y by 2. 4 sin square x minus y by 2. This is right hand side. Also question 3 you can see here only plus sign. And right side 4 cos square sin cos square x plus y by 2 plus y by 2. Here sin square x minus y by 2. Same type of question. So here just take question 4. Left hand side is this. So what type of method we should prefer? Here either sin cos minus cos b whole square plus sin c minus sin d whole square can use. Also we see that if a minus b whole square a minus b whole square we apply formula, so cos square plus cos square x plus cos square y we get. Therefore sin square x plus sin square y we get. So both combining we can get 1 plus 1 2. So that will be very easy. So just breaking this square, a minus b whole square. So cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y. This is first part. Plus of second part what? Sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y. Clear? So here our target is that sin square x minus y by 2 4 times. So here cos sin. So sin square x plus cos square x plus sin square y plus cos square y. We can combine like this, and also minus taking common 2 of here cos x cos y, both minus, so taking plus sign, so sin x sin y. So we can get what? 1 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 of cos of x plus x minus y, x minus y. Since what is the formula? Cos a minus b equals to what? We know cos a cos b minus, then you have here plus sin a sin b. This is formula. Okay, so just we use this formula, and also by using this formula we can get this is equals to cos x minus y. Now our target is that. So by cos theta we can get sin square theta. How? Also since cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Here 2a 1 a. So we can write 2 minus 2 cos of x minus y. So here we see that 2 common, 1 minus cos of x minus y. Okay, so here we see that 2 sin square a equals to 1 minus cos 2a. So in place of a we can use x minus y. So we can get what? 2 of 2 sin square x minus y by 2, because 2a and here a. So here x minus y, then here x minus a by 2. This clear? So this is the answer. 4 sin square x, 4 sin square x minus y by 2 into right hand side. Clear? So here using this two formula we can get left hand side equals to right hand, but after a1 is the whole square breaking and then adjusting, and here cos 2 theta equals to this formula is used. Okay, then just for getting this we can adjust like this. So 2 sin square is by 2 by using this. Okay, so this is the question solution of 4, and 3 can be solved by similar method. Okay, here only plus sign, just you can proceed. Okay, and in place of this formula for 3 you have to use cos 2 equals to 2 cos square a minus 1 for getting value of in terms of cos. Okay, so 4 questions are completed. Now take question 5. Take question 5 of exercise, miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so question 5. Question 5 is given as sin 1357 sin x sin just plus 1357 7x. Now we have to find value as a 4 cos x 2x sin 4x. Right hand side we require what? 4 cos x cos 2x cos x cos 2x sin 4x sin 4x. Okay, this is right hand side we require. From this we have to find like this. Okay, so here we see that for getting just like as a multiplication right hand side, and here addition. So we know sin c plus sin d cos formula which gives value in multiplication. So here 4 terms are there, so we can make 2 pair. But just see x and 5x 6x half 3x. So here 3x and no 3 and 5 and 1 6 by we have 3 plus 7. You can make combination, also can make this and you can solve by using formula sin c plus sin d, but taking proper combination gives answer in short length. If combination is wrong, then you can also get finally result, but the process will be long. So just make its combination very seriously. Here 3 7 10 1 5 4 by 2 5 7 12 6, but here 4x 2x x So 3, 5, 7, 5. Just combine like this: sin x plus sin 5x, and also sin 7x plus sin 3x. Okay, combine like this and just apply sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d, what? 2 sin c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Just use this. Okay, so we can get 2 times of sine of c plus d by 2 means 6x by 2 means 3 sin 3x, 6x by 2 sin 3x, and minus x minus 5x minus 4x by 2 minus 2x sin minus 2x. Okay, sin here x sin c plus sin d, here cos. So cos minus 2x minus 4x by 2 minus 2x plus here 2 sin 10x by 2 means 5x, and cos of 7 minus 3 4 by 2 2x. Okay, so here we see that we know cos minus 2x, cos 2x, cos minus a equals to what? Cos. So cos 2x, here cos 2x, here 2, so 2 cos 2x, taking common, then here we get sin 3x, plus sin 5x. Again use this formula, sin c plus sin d. So 2 cos 2x, here 2 sin c plus sin d, also use sin 3 5 8 by 2 4x, and cos 3 minus 5 means minus 2 by 2 cos x. So here minus cos x, and cos minus x equals to cos x. So cos x, so 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. That is right hand side. Just we get this. Okay. So this combination gives in short answer. Okay. You can also do this by taking this two, and then maybe process will long. Okay. This is the short process for this combination. Okay. So solution of 5. Now take question 6. I think question 6 you can solve. Simple question. Question 6. Here what? Sin c plus sin 7x plus sin 5x, cos plus cos, sin plus sin. Just you have to use this combination formula. Sin c plus sin d, sin c minus cos c plus cos d, and use, and then taken something common and something maybe cancel out, and then you can get sin by cos 6x, so that will be 10x. So simple question. So do it from yourself. Okay, question 6. Now take question 7. Okay, question 7. Question 6 is simple. Just use formula sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Then you can get the value from which something may be taken common out from numerator and denominator, and then something may be cancelled, and then you can get 10x. Okay, so here for question 7, sin 3x plus sin 2x. So question 7, left hand side, sin 3x plus sin 7x, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x, sin 2x Sin 2x minus sin x. And right hand side is what? Sin 2x minus sin x and sin 3x. 4 sin cos x by 2. 4 sin x cos x by 2 and also cos 3x by 2. Cos 3x by 2. This is right hand side. Just we have to find like this from here. Here we see that also multiplication of 3 quantity. Here this plus this minus this, that is separated by plus minus. So we have to convert plus to multiplication, that is sin c or sin d. So here 3 combination. So take first this 2. Okay. So sin 3x plus take sin 2x minus sin x. With sin c minus sin d we know what? Here cos, here sin. Clear? This is formula. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d. So here sin 3x plus we can get value 2 times of cos c plus d by 2. 2x plus x 3x by 2. So cos 3x by 2. Simple combination. Cos 3x by 2 is there also. Okay, so this into sin 2x minus x, x by 2. So sin x by 2. Sin x by 2. Just we get like this. Clear? Now, for getting value, here sin 3x. We know also formula sin 2 theta formula. That is, since sin 2a equals to what? 2 sin x cos x. You know, x means a. Okay. Just like this, you know, formula. So here 2 sin a means half. So give half, 3 is by 2, 3x by 2 and cos 3x by 2. Here also cos 3x by 2. So we get like this, cos 3x by 2 and sin x by 2. Our target is that. So here taking common 2 and cos 3x by 2. So and cos 3x by 2, cos 3x by 2, 2 cancel. Sin 3x by 2 plus sin x by 2. X by 2. Okay. So 2 cos 3x by 2. Here sin c plus sin d you use formula. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Plus sin then cos. So here 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is this plus this by 2. So 3x plus x, 4x by already here 2, 2x and also by 2 x. So this is sin x and cos 3x by 2 minus x by 2, that is 3 minus 1 means 2x by 2, cancel. So cos x by 2, here cos x by 2. So here cos x by 2, cos 3x by 2 and sin x by 2 and 4. So we get result. Okay. So sin x and cos x by 2 and cos 3x by 2. This is the right hand side. So this is the use of this formula. And how can we use this? Because our requirement is this. So take it in your mind and then just use formula and try to get it using formula. Okay. So this is question 7. Now there are some questions 8, 9 and 10. 3 questions are there. Okay. Just given finding the sine, cos and tan of half angles. here. Okay, and here given 8, 9, 10 in 10x, cos x and sin x. So one of the questions I will solve, and just remaining two questions you have to solve from your side. Okay, so simple process. X by 2, we are trying to getting x by 2, trigonometric functions of x by 2. So here just technique is what? Here given like this, suppose first question, just like given 10x equals to what? Minus 4 by 3, this is given. Well, okay, we have already done this type of questions when one trigonometric function, value of one trigonometric function is given, and where the angle is in which quadrant? First, second, third, fourth, where? So here x in line second quadrant, here. Here means what? Pi by 2 and pi. Line means x lies between what? Pi by 2 to pi, second quadrant. And we have to find the value of sin, cos and tan of x by 2, half of this angle. This is pure angle x and half angle we have to find. Okay, so here x lies in second quadrant, then x by 2 lie, x lies between this, so x by 2 means divide by 2, so here 4, here 2, so 4 pi by 4 to pi by 2, that is here, that is first quadrant. So this x by 2 lie in first quadrant. So sin, cos, tan all are positive. This is our decision. And now use formula for getting that. How? If we know cos x, if we know sin x, then we can use formula cos 2 x equal to, we know what? Cos 2 x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Also cos 2 x equal to what? 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. By using this two formula, if we know what? X equals to, here x equals to, if here x, then here x by 2. Now, if we know cos x, then we can get value of sin x by 2 by using this formula. If we know, okay, we can get this. Clear? So cos x, no. We know the value of cos x, then we can get value of sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2, and sin can be taken from this decision. They all are positive, so positive sin will be taken. If from here we can get sin x by 2 and cos x by 2, and tan x by 2 equals to sin by cos, so we can get the value. So here our targeted value is what? For all questions, sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. That is main thing is sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Okay. So depend on given value. So using this concept, take question, just like take question 8. Okay, take question 8. What given? Given 10 x equals to minus 4 by 3. Okay, 10 x equal to minus 4 by 3, x in second quadrant. X in second quadrant. And we have to find this values. Clear? So, sin x by 2, cos x by 2. For that, we require sin x or cos x. Cos x. So here 10 x by 2 equals to this, here x is second quadrant. That means what? Second quadrant means pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Here pi by 2 pi. Between pi by 2 to pi. We require x by 2. So divide by 2, x by pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. That is what? Pi by 4 is here, So this to this, pi by 4 to pi. This first quadrant implies x by 2 lies in first quadrant. First quadrant implies sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. All are positive. You know, all are positive in first quadrant. Clear? Just this is the decision of sign. What is sign? Now, here tan x equals to minus 4 by 3. Clear? Since, or we know that we use this tan x and try to getting cos x. So from tan we can get sec, then we can get also cos. So tan x, we know that what? Sec square x equals to 1 plus tan square x. So sec square x equals to 1 plus tan x equals to minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 square. That is equals to 1 plus 16 by 9. That is equals to what? 25 by 9. 16 plus 9, 25 by 9. That is what? Sec square x equals to this, means cos square x equals to 9 by 25. And cos x equals to plus minus root 9 by 25. Implies cos x equals to, here cos x, here only x, and x lying in second quadrant. We know in second quadrant cos negative. In second quadrant cos negative. So we can write cos x equals to minus of 3 by 5. Since cos x is negative in second quadrant. Okay? Clear? So cos x equals to minus 3 by 5. Cos x equals to minus 3 by 5. Now, we can find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2. Clear? How? By using cos 2 theta formula. Now, since cos x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 implies cos x, what? Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So here we get what? 2 sin square x by 2 equals to, this transfer to left hand side, this transfer to right hand side, 1 plus 3 by 5. So this is equals to what? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So 2 sin square x by 2 equals to this. So here sin square x by 2 equals to 4 by 5. So we can solve and get the value of sin x by 2 from here. Clear? So this implies sin x by 2 equals to plus minus root over what? 4 by 5. This is equals to, implies sin x by 2 equals to, sin x by 2 will be positive, all positive. So take positive sine 2 by root 5. Sin s by 2 equals to 2 by root 5. Okay, this is sin s by 2. Clear? Here all are. Now for getting cos s by 2, we can take again this formula, 2 cos square s by 2 minus 1, or sin square s by 2 plus cos square s by 2 equals to 1. You can use any of the formula. Also, cos x equals to what? 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Clear? So here minus cos x equal to what? Minus 3 by 5. Just minus 3 by 5 equals to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So here 2 cos square x by 2 equals to 1 transfer 1 minus 3 by 5. That is what? 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. So what? Cos square x by 2 equals to 1 by 5. 2 to cancel, 1 by 5. We can also write this is equals to plus minus root over 1 by 5. Okay, cos x by 2 equals to, and from that is after this line, that is cos x by 2 equals to, since cos x by 2 is also positive, so here take positive value, so plus 1 by root of 5. So sin s by 2 equals to this, cos s by 2 equals to this. Also tan x by 2, also we get tan x by 2 equals to what? Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. That is equals to this is 2 by root 5 and this is 1 by root 5, and dividing this two, sin s by 2 means 2 by root 5 upon 1 by root 5. So we can write 2, tan x equals to 2. So these are the solution. This is 2. Okay, so we can see answer 3.3 miscellaneous question 8.2. Here we can also write the value of this as by multiplication, by rationalization, root 5 by 5. Clear? And also cos x by 2, cos sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 is what? Sin x by 2, 2 by root 5. So you can write 2 root 5 by 5. This type of, this is given in answer. So you can also write this without root sign in denominator. So root 5 by 5 and 2 root 5 by 5. 2. Okay. So this is the solution. So you can find half angles. As given, x is in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, that is x lies between this. For x by 2, just divide x by 2 and then see what x by 2 lie in which quadrant. And then you can decide sign. Okay. And solve. For solving, just sin x by 2 cos x by 2 you can get from cos 2 theta formula, that is this. Cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus 1 and cos 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So for cos x by 2, just you have try to find the cos x by 2. Cos x, only cos x. Tan x given, so just find cos x. If sin is given, then also try to cos x. If cos is given, then also try to find cos x. In x, for x, and then you use this formula. Then you can get this two value and tan x divided sin by cos. Okay. So 9 and 10 you can solve. Question 9 and 10. What is given in question 9? Cos x equal to minus 1 by 3. X is in third quadrant. Cos x minus 1 by 3. Just I am giving hint for this two questions, and also the question 6 and question 3, question 6, and this question 9 and 10. You have to solve in your copy from yourself, and these 4 questions you have to send me PDF file for your attendance. Okay, so just hint for question 3rd and question 7. Question 6 I have already given. Now cos x equal to question 9. Question 9. What? Cos x equals to minus 1 by 3. Cos x equals to minus 1 by 3. X lies in third quadrant. X in third quadrant. That is what? Here. X. That is here means what? X lies in pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2. Here lies x. Just we have to find the value of what? Sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. So first of all, finding these two and then tan x by 2. Here x lies between this. So x by 2. So here divide pi by 2. Let x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Clear? Now 3 pi by 4. This is less than pi. This is less than pi. That is x lies between pi by 2 to pi here. This is second quadrant. It lies in second quadrant. X by 2. X by 2 lie in second quadrant. So here sin positive. That is sin x by 2 positive. And cos negative. Here. So this is our sine. And how can we solve it? This is given cos x. So we can find the value of sin x by 2 cos x. Very simple. Cos is given. So cos x equals to what? Cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. And cos x equals to what? 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Use formula. Cos x equals to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So what? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So 2 to cancel 1 by 3. So plus minus root. So cos x by 2 is negative. So take negative sign here. So cos x by 2 is equals to what? Minus 1 upon root 3. Similarly, by using this you can get sin x by 2. Okay, here minus 1 by 3. So 1 minus plus 1 by 3. So 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3. So this is 2 by root 3. So sin positive. So 2 by root 3 means root 2 by root 3. Just like this. And sin and cos. Then you can find tan x. Similarly, here sin x equals to 1 by 4. 10. 10 is what? Sin x equals to 1 by 4. So you can get value how? X lies between in second quadrant. That is second quadrant is pi by 2 to pi. So x by 2 lies between pi by 4 to pi by 2. That is first quadrant. All are positive. So all are positive. In question 10. Here sin given. So we have to find cos. So sin square plus cos square equals to 1. So here cos square equals to 1 minus sin square. So 1 minus 1 by 4 square. 1 minus 1 by 4 square. So 1 by 4 square means 16 minus 1. 15 by 4. So root 15 by 4 plus minus, and single x lie in second quadrant here. That is cos in second quadrant negative. So you have to take here minus root 15 by 2. This will be the value of cos x. And then you can use this formula. Okay. So do question 9 and 10 from yourself. Okay, very important questions, and send me PDF file for your attendance. Okay.